Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices will see a fourth straight week of increase effective tomorrow. $3.06 will be added to a liter of 87.90 gasoline. Automotive diesel will gain $2.94. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will cost an additional $3.06. The price of kerosene will increase by $2.94. Propane will, however, cost $1.21 less, while 15 cents will be added to butane. Meanwhile, global oil prices fell today after U.S. crude oil supplies rose more than expected, even as fuel inventories dropped and tanks at America's largest storage hub emptied further. Global benchmark Brent crude ended down by $1.82 to settle at $84.58 per barrel. Caribbean Airlines is to resume direct flights between Trinidad and Tobago and Jamaica on December 1. This follows the lifting of travel restrictions between both countries. Caribbean Airlines says the flights will facilitate same-day connections to Nassau, Bahamas and other destinations. The carrier will also resume service between Port of Spain and Jamaica to St. Martin on December 11. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke has reacted to the recent labour market data released by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin. The data show that as at July, the employed labour force was up by 8.3% and unemployment fell by 4.1 percentage points. Dr. Clarke says while these are positive signs, there is a long way to go before recovery.
We still have some way to go to attain the pre-COVID levels, but the speed and the pace and the momentum of the economic recovery so far is just very encouraging. That V-shaped recovery that we wanted in economic growth, we are seeing it. That V-shaped recovery, very importantly, that we wanted in terms of jobs, in terms of income for Jamaicans, we're seeing it. It's important to note that this level of jobs recovery we're not seeing in other parts of the Caribbean. Jamaica is really, so far, a standout.
Some news out of the region. The Caribbean Development Bank, CDB, has completed 2 bond offers to raise $150 million on the German capital market. One instrument is a 20-year registered bond of $100 million, while the other, worth $50 million, is registered for 22 years. The $50 million bond is the CDB's longest-dated borrowing instrument. In a release today, CDB President Dr. Jean Leon says the additional capital allows the CDB to further diversify its investor base away from traditional sources. Now, the bonds were offered on the German market on October 15 by Deutsche Bank. Now, back home, banks and cambios are selling the U.S. currency for an average $155.29. It's costing $129.82 for the Canadian dollar, $213.04 is the going rate for the pound, and $183.56 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE Index gained 3,593 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 38 points. Among today's winners were Siboney Group, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, Cargo Handlers, G-West Corporation Ordinary Shares, and T-Tech, while on the losing side were Access Financial Services, Dolphin Cove, Lasco Manufacturing, Palace Amusement, and Sagicor Select Funds. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after the break.